If one way be better than another, that, you may be sure, is nature's way. Whether or not you realise it, plants have superpowers. Imagine finding yourself in a rainforest and it suddenly starts to rain. You would immediately look for shelter. You might be inspired to use a large leaf as an umbrella, but after hunting around, you may notice that some leaves are better at repelling water off their surfaces than others. In fact, some leaves are so water repellent that even honey would run off its surface quickly. This is known as the lotus effect, and this is just one example of the many hidden superpowers plants possess. While some plants have developed waterproof leaves, others have adopted a similar strategy to defend themselves from undesirable guests by making their leaves extremely slippery. The secret behind these special properties lies in the surprisingly intricate microscopic patterns covering their surfaces. To our eyes they look flat and smooth, but a microscope would reveal a complex surface of bumps, ridges and waxy tubes. These microstructures can affect not only the surface properties of plant leaves and petals, but also the way we see them. Indeed, light can interact in such a way that these microstructures appear colourful, despite no pigment being involved. Colours created through this mechanism are referred to as structural colours. They are often more vivid than the ones arising from pigments, and many plants and animals make use of this trick. Of course, there is a reason why some flowers use structural colours, in addition to pigments, to stand out from the green background. It's all about attracting pollinating insects, such as bees, who prefer blue colours, which are difficult for the plant to make using pigments. The question is, can we learn something from these plants? If you are now starting to look at your houseplant differently, trying to discover its hidden superpower, your inner scientist may have kicked in. As a matter of fact, nature-inspired design has captured the imagination of scientists for a very long time. From Leonardo da Vinci's flying machines inspired by flying animals, to modern materials such as Velcro tape, which was inspired by the seed heads of burdock. What's coming next? Imagine removing oil spills from the oceans using technology inspired by the power of a leaf. Treating your plant with 100% eco-friendly bug repellent, or even dyeing your hair and clothes with a flower-inspired electric blue. Actually, some of these ideas are already on their way, thanks to the work of PlaMatSu, an international training network supported by the European Union, which brings researchers from different disciplines and universities together to develop novel materials inspired by the amazing surface properties of plants. We've only started to scratch the surface. There is still so much more to learn about plant superpowers and the technology they can inspire. The future is nature-inspired. If you want to learn more, visit plamatsu.eu.